Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm at Elm Tree Road in Salford M6 to show you this modern semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got a double driveway to the front, providing off-road parking. Let's take a look inside. So as we enter, we go into a welcome entrance hallway, which also provides access to a downstairs toilet just through here. Then we have the stylishly decorated family lounge just through here. We've got this lovely modern fitted kitchen diner with access to the garden to the side of the property. As you can see, it's got this lawn grass and decking as well. Property is in a convenient location with easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. And like I say, it is a modern home, so it was built in 2017, also benefits from an NHBC guarantee for the remainder of the 10 years. Upstairs we have a modern 3-piece bathroom, then in the main bedroom, which as you can see, it's nicely decorated. It also benefits from access to an ensuite shower room as well. Then we have the third bedroom just through here, currently used as an office and storage. And then we have the second bedroom. Properties on this estate are incredibly popular. Get in touch to score your viewing today.